Hi, I'm Brian,
And I'm Tanya.
and we're the Kurtz Crew at Coldwell Banker, here to tell you about an exciting new tool we have available.
That's right, it's called Vitalize. And it's a tool to help you get the most money for your home by doing some basic updates.
Yeah, so for example, say your home could maybe use some new carpet or some new paint. Maybe it has one of those old tangerine sinks from the 1970s. Yeah, that was one of our actual listings. Well, that's where Vitalize can step in, and they can help you get those repairs done before you hit the market, which creates a lot of benefits for you because ultimately we may be able to sell your house for even more money in a faster amount of time.
That's right, to help you move on to your next home, this program gets licensed contractors that have been pre-screened by Home Advisor to come in and do the work on your home. You don't have to worry about anything. Coldwell Banker pays for all of the repairs up front. You don't have to worry about it. You get new updates to your home, and we get you on the market for the most money to get you moving on.
And the best part is that Coldwell Banker gets reimbursed at closing, but there's no interest, there's no enrollment fees, there is no markups whatsoever. They don't get to share in any of the additional profits on your home. It's just simply a tool to help you get ready to go and get the most money out of your house. So give us a call and let us know how we can help you.